So it's Google versus Sora right now, because when it comes to technology and what's out, it seems like we just keep getting better and better at making movies and images. Nothing in regards to AI, AGI, or anything of the shit that we're looking for. But hey, look, more movies, more images, new model for Google. Let's see what movie is better.
Google's second-generation text-to-video model, V2, has exceeded everyone's expectations, surpassing not only Meta's MovieGen, but also OpenAI's SORA 2. This is a surprising twist, as many had doubted Google's AI capabilities. However, with this December release, Google appears to be setting new AI standards. Benchmarks show it
That looks like Zelda, right?
Google appears to be
That
setting
don't look like a Zelda type of background.
new AI standards. Benchmarks show it consistently outperforms other top models, suggesting Google is now leading the race in AI video generation. Looking at direct comparisons, Google's model is chosen over competitors like Meta's MovieGen and OpenAI's Sora Turbo most of the time, over 50% preference, sometimes hitting 60%. Even top creative models like Sing 1.5 and Minx trail behind. What's even more impressive is that this is only Google's second iteration, and it already boasts the highest prompt adherence and overall video quality. One standout feature of V2 is its realistic physics. Generative AI often struggles with accurately modeling physical interactions, like cutting a tomato or pouring liquids, but Google's solution handles them smoothly. Whether it's cutting into fruit or capturing the subtle ripples in a glass of water, V2 demonstrates a deep understanding of real-world behavior. These details show just how far Google has advanced.
First of all, that motherfucker is not syrup. That shit look like honey. And I ain't saying it to be funny, but it just looked like there's a couple things that could be done, like the physics side. Like that's not how syrup drip.
Simulating
That ain't how syrup drip.
complex motion. Beyond physics, V2 also handles imaginative
First of all, that's not how ice shakes in a cup that's
simulating
stirring.
complex motion.
I'm
Beyond
being a hard
physics,
ass critic. I
V2
don't fuck. I'm tired of these damn images, text to image, text to this, text to that. Nigga, we don't give a oh my god. I can't say it enough. We don't give a fuck about that shit, bro. Keep that shit for the industry, bro. Go make a fucking movie sector of technology, bro. We don't give a fuck about movies. We give a fuck about what Rick and Morty does.
who also handles imaginative scenarios remarkably well. From absurd prompts like a TV sitcom starring potatoes to action scenes with cars plummeting over waterfalls, it nails long-form storytelling without mangling objects midway through the video. This consistency is rare among text-to-video models, underscoring just how big of a leap Google has made in a short time. For more playful prompts, it continues to impress. One example is a cinematic kung fu scene with a potato protagonist wearing a black leather coat in
Oh, I
pouring
remember
rain.
this.
The rain effects
I actually seen this. Wait, yeah, I seen this.
character consistency,
This is
and
actually
overall
old
realism make it
news.
difficult to tell it's AI generated. Google's strong track record of innovation clearly shines in V2, proving the
This may
company's
be
ability to
old
push
news. I
boundaries
ain't gonna
in
lie to
video
you.
generation. Alongside V2, Google unveiled their new text-to-image model, IM3, which also leads the field. Its ELO ratings show it surpasses all competitors in prompt adherence and image coherence. IM3's user interface lets you precisely customize prompts, for instance, zooming in on a person's eye reflecting a piece of garlic bread, or staging a potato's battle against a vampire on the moon. These creative examples illustrate just how far Google has come in AI technology, with both V2 and IM3 dominating benchmarks.
What the fuck am I gonna do with images though, bro? Like on a consumer basis, bro. What the fuck am I gonna do on it? Yeah, how dumb this shit sounds when you like, yo, so I'm gonna wake up and say, yeah, I wanna make some fucking cats, man. Yes, just to put it on some stickers. Like what use case is this shit gonna have, bro? Aside from like you guys are targeting niggas like content creators, and what about the average Joe, my nigga? What the fuck is he gonna do with this shit? Prank his friends?
Google seems to have reclaimed the AI crown, leaving us eager to see what's next.
No, Google seemed to just do some shit that was already done. And I don't really know if this came out already. The simulation stuff, the pancakes. I remember seeing that shit because it was a conversation about why simulation wise it had a lot more to do. You feel me? It had a lot more to accomplish, it had a lot more to do, but like it was a good approach as opposed to the other text to video and text to image models, which were like kinda in the same state. But even NVIDIA, they have a simulation process that 10,000x is your I guess your learning output inside the simulation. Although it doesn't really translate into real world yet, like robotics, they have something that came out that translate over. But like Google, Sora, and OpenAI, Google, OpenAI, Sora, and fucking Dolly and all them image platforms things, do something innovative, bruh. Like do something that really might make me shut the fuck up. Cause right now it just seems like play. Like all y'all do is just make new photos, and you know what it feels like actually? You remember what it was like gaming early on? Like we went from Game Boy, GameCube, Nintendo 64. I'm skipping a lot of generations, but all that to say, each generation had a better and better HD definition. And that's the whole reason why we like the system. Like after PlayStation 2, the graphics of PlayStation 3, that's what won it. I ain't gonna lie to you. And then PlayStation 4, 5, and Xbox, all of them are living off of the idea that the graphics, like what we saw for the first time, is what they're living on. You're not about to catch us with this AI image generation bullshit, my nigga. Go put this shit into fucking VR and make it go do something, my nigga. VR still can't do some shit. Like, this shit is whack. This shit is not good. Thank you for telling us about this ain't good product for the content we just reviewed. Great content. Great content though, but like this not news, Brody. This not news, Brody. Like, comment, subscribe, but we out here though. Please, if you guys are interested in image to text generation, I'm gonna try my best not to do that bitch on this channel, cause it won't be here. Go find that shit on Matt Wolf page.